down, don't worry. Women are not allowed.
The way he's holding himself.
Guys, you know, they say you must kneel down to respect the food.
It is
When
good. You have to kneel down.
Oh
so
my
you don't
God.
do like this. I don't know if I can. Mom is not seeing it. You don't do like this.
Yo, hello guys, what's up? This is a Burundian traveler. In case you are new, please subscribe guys, comment guys, share. I would appreciate. All the way from Burundi to Uganda right now. I'm in this beautiful place, this beautiful center right here of the village. I'm with this beautiful girl right here.
Hello guys, this is African Mwala.
On a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, that's my YouTube name.
Wow.
Thanks for joining here.
Thank you.
Hey guys, as usual, African nyako here. So we're in the market. We're going to be buying things for $1.
Yes.
Then we go prepare. Can
Yes.
you survive on a $1 meal?
Yeah.
Stick into the video. You get to know.
Wow. Imagine guys what they are going to do for me, man. Like, wow. You see? Actually, we are in a place where we can buy things. I don't know. So stay tuned as we are doing this shopping right here, and they are going maybe to. You are going to show me how we cook it, right?
Yeah, like you're going to all cook.
We are going to cook.
Okay, guys. Now we are going to do that. I mean, also I'm gonna learn more about that.
You can eat grasshoppers. This guy is selling them.
They're
So I
selling
want to taste
grasshoppers,
them.
so we eat
Oh,
insects here,
really?
guys. Grasshoppers are insects, we eat them.
They're not insects, they're grasshoppers.
Let's see them right now. Hey?
You
Okay, stop on people now.
and those
Erina yangu walete sente. Because these are how they look.
What is that?
these are grasshoppers.
Oh,
Ziri-
They are very dry.
They're dry. They're not fresh at all.
mm.
But we are craving for them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You just like them very much, right? So you must buy. Hey, we have another one, another person here.
Yep.
Mm.
Hello.
Can you say hi?
Hello. It is Erina TL, your international
Mm.
content
Creator.
creator.
Creator. Hey.
Creator.
Hey, these people are talking English like American.
We are not of today. We are of tomorrow. So you're
Yeah,
buying all those
today
grasshoppers.
and tomorrow.
Will you finish?
We are going to share.
You eat grasshoppers?
Guys,
I don't.
I think you.
You don't eat grasshoppers.
The Syrian Senin.
My God, you're
The
missing a
Syrian
lot.
Senin. Gorian Senin.
I eat them.
Usually have a bone.
Are you funny? It's just a
Then what are you talking, guys?
I was asking why does she eat grasshoppers? Esther is buying from someone that they are not smiling.
Not smiling.
So she thinks they are not giving
As if
her
you're forcing him
value for money.
to the grasshoppers.
I mean, also I'm going to eat. You know that?
You have them in Burundi. You eat them in Burundi.
For a long time ago. And one,
Really?
yeah, it was there.
I don't want your stomach to be upset. It has to be happy.
What the name was calling them in my country?
They call them Insanene in the local language.
In our languages.
Is what?
Imimvuli.
You mean Vuli?
For us, we call them
Have you
Insanene.
seen?
You come and see. Sure.
We're not answering, we're not salt. Kale.
Menza usiriwo.
Now I'm missing a lot.
So how much are those?
How much is that?
$1.20. They are still expensive, but not yet that.
It's not the season.
It's not the season.
So it's $1, $2.
1 and 1 some cent.
1.9.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's $1.9.
sorry, can I try two? Just two.
You've never eaten them?
If your stomach becomes upset, let me hold it.
Numonde gwe twade twagala.
People are not going to understand you.
We shall charge. Did you tell guys that we are going to pay $1?
Yeah, they already said.
Okay, this child is the one who's going to measure for us.
Ah, is this young? Oh, wow.
So we train girls, eh?
Yeah, for really. Their business.
So we are helping her, but the mom had sent us to measure for her. Mulungi yitawo teekemu tera mukasonga muleka ateekemu ateekemu ali walindako tumulu oyo wameka oyo wasatu ssatu
Which one? Oh, we
oyo ssatu ssatu ono asembe eno yewebbiyedde
Trudy. Thank you.
That is how much?
This is 2,000.
Oh. We are now going which way? We keep going this way. What is next, guys?
We're going to buy omena.
Omena. Are you calling it omena?
These are each is 500.
Oh.
Kamu kubanga tugenda gula n'ebinyeebwa.
Ah, sorry. Hey.
I think I help you with some items.
Give us for 100.
Let me help you now.
I can't wait to taste potatoes.
There,
I've
onion.
taken long. Thank you.
Okay. Someone hold the money?
Yeah, here is some.
You.
Yeah.
So you finished the whole pack.
I was eating with her.
You are feed up already.
But you guys, how can they fry? How come? They fry them and
They are giving you.
No, you're surprised.
How is that possible?
In the village, it's hard to get water like this.
Mm.
So when you drink water, you are rich. So you are showing.
Yes.
You don't have a pot at all. How can you
Life
take
is
cold
good.
water on a cold day?
How they are making that one?
That's binyebwa.
Those are ginnets.
Is not is
That's the
peanuts. What about this one?
This is millet flour.
Okay.
Okay, let me tell you each and everything here. Millet flour,
Mm.
sugar,
Yep.
ghee,
You know
cow
ghee?
ghee,
I don't know even ghee.
They get it from cow milk
cow
to
milk
make ghee.
to make
Oh,
this ghee.
okay.
This is rice.
Yep.
This is salt. We measure salt as well.
Mm.
Beans.
Beans.
As well.
Mm.
Cow peas.
Yeah.
Then the other one is the cassava flour.
The other one is soya flour.
Hey, soya.
Soya flour. It is for porridge, yeah?
Okay.
This one. Cassava flour.
Actually,
This
we
is
need
cassava.
some cassava flour. A quarter. Quarter I make. Give us a quarter. Give us a half.
Now she's from the garden to get firewood.
Yeah. We fetch fire here. So
fast. Ekibo kiriwa? Ekibo kyaffe ki?
kanziruka ekinoni.
Iye ojja kulwayo ffe tugenda gira nga tuwaata.
Mugira mukola ebirala leeta essimu yo ngiteeke ku charge. Mama,
It is
leeta
there in the chair. We make the power bank. Mama, tuwe akati.
Then you are going.
Mami akambeeko nga tekakola. This is how we sharpen the knife. Yeah? What Mom is saying, there was a function. She had gone on a village function. So when there is a village function, every woman has to come with a knife to help out with the work at the function. So when she took all the knives which are good to help out at the function, people stole them.
Oh.
So she didn't come back with a knife. This is the only knife she has. But I've sharpened it.
Wow.
So we are going to cook sweet potatoes, cassava, ugali, and
How do you call ugali, guys?
we call it kalo.
Kalo.
How do you call it in Burundi?
Ubugali.
Ubugali. In eastern Uganda somewhere they call it ubusuma. Usuma.
Ubusuma.
Usuma. Then in Ateso, do you know the Ateso?
Atapa.
They call it Atapa. Esther, you call it what?
When?
In Esther's African Nyako's language,
Kwenangora.
it's called Kwenangora.
Kwenangola.
In the Jonam community, the Luo, they say Kwenangora.
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 Kwenangola.
Kwenangora. Yes, I'm gifted, young and blessed, young and famous.
I can't wait for my food to get straight at my eat. Because when it's cold like this, you always be in the kitchen.
And what
Yeah, to get warm. Do you also peel your potatoes? Some people they just wash and cook.
Yeah.
You peel?
We sometimes peel.
Well, and sometimes just wash and cook.
Yeah.
Palana. Guys, imagine three women have teamed up to cook for
Burundian traveler.
Hey!
The big man. Please come and subscribe to his channel. Call your friends. That is how good he is. A whole team, and in the background we have like 6 other women.
Imagine what is this? Oh my
All
God.
teaming up
Behind the scenes.
for one. Yeah.
Where are you going, African? Where are you going?
I'm going to bring indagala, not mukene.
Indagala in my language is
Banana leaves. First we steam everything with banana leaves.
oh, okay.
So let's go.
Yes.
So for the banana leaves, you have to look for the ones that are mature.
Oh, really?
Colored ones.
I mean, I'm just in need to know it because wow.
Banana leaves.
Because also I will have maybe to cook such.
Just cut like this.
Okay.
Normally they use like
Long one.
poles. They put like this. It's called the musoloyo, and then you cut your banana leaf. But then
Okay.
since I'm tall, I don't need this. I just need to cut it like usual.
Okay.
So we need like 3 of them.
Or maybe this one also.
That one is very fast. Can get this one.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is enough, guys. So
Yes.
I'm going to go there at the kitchen, then I can organize them.
Yes.
Trying to see how we do it here in central Uganda.
Hmm.
Guys,
Now we
this
are.
is the Buganda culture. Now I'm Luo. It's not my culture.
So
I
we
just adopted it.
yes.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you
Yeah.
how we do it here.
Okay. Thank you. But maybe in your culture also.
Yeah, we also steam using the banana leaves, but not so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, not so much. We always
Okay.
use pumpkin leaves at
Yeah.
most when you're
Because
steaming.
maybe there is not
Yeah, we
more.
don't have a lot of bananas.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
So, African Moala, you do. You kuyunja, so she's going to do for you guys.
Hmm.
Maybe you put in the brass so that they don't get soiled.
Okay. This is a hoe, eh? It
Yes.
is little, but it does good work.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So now you are going to cook
Yeah.
sweet potato inside of that.
Yeah, with sweet potatoes
Hmm.
because sweet potatoes this is they are prepared in these banana leaves. So we
Okay.
are going to make a muumbo.
Oh,
You're going to see it. We call it muumbo.
muumbo.
Yeah. You're going
Okay.
to see how we prepare it.
Okay.
How are you? So this guy is selling. selling some.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
I have liquid soap, sir. Support me is very nice.
You
No.
come tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Nice time.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
So do you know why we prepare them like this?
Yep.
You can't cook something
Hmm.
when these banana leaves are like this. They can't fold.
Mm.
So in order to fold, we cut the inner part.
Okay. Okay.
But everything I've removed, I've taken off. They are going to be of good use. You're going to see in the video when we are preparing them. We don't throw away anything.
Okay.
So if you throw it away, you throw it in the garden. It becomes a mulch.
Okay.
Mulches.
All right. Wow.
But these ones we are going to use them.
Mhm.
Tunayakola muvumbo, yeah?
You are also going to use that one?
Yeah, we are going to use them. That's why I've told you that we don't throw away. These ones I'm going to throw away to the garden so that they
that
can
one, yeah.
become mulches.
Okay.
But these ones are going to be of good use.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now
Guys.
let's start the procedure of preparing the muumbo.
Okay.
Erina, let's start preparing.
Where are you going to prepare?
Let's prepare from here.
Oh. So the way you are prepare it is omuvumbo.
Yeah, the preparation is called omuvumbo. But what we are going to prepare
Is
is lumonde,
rumonde
potatoes.
potatoes.
Okay,
Rumonde is in
in our local language.
okay. Uganda.
Luganda.
Language. Eh?
Uganda, yeah.
Okay, wow. Guys, welcome to the village here. We are cooking omuvumbo.
Nothing else home.
Yeah. We are cooking omuvumbo.
When you come and visit again, I will take you to my.
Yeah.
to my home,
Okay.
my village home as well.
Now, gundi sibe gundi nga kuno tutaddeko gundi.
Akwate amazzi ereme kugira.
You were dancing when you were cooking.
Yeah, because I'm enjoying it.
In your village, how? In your village, that's how you do.
That's traditional dance for African Muwala.
Mm. That's a tradition. So where can we get that tradition dance?
The dance? Dere Center, when we shall get.
Oh, okay.
She's fearing to talk.
Ah.
I've been talking, but now I'm preparing.
You are fearing to explain. Okay.
Fearing to talk.
So I wash this back.
Not to talk.
Traditionally,
So
they say you have to respect food. If you're going to prepare food, you have to kneel down.
Oh
so
my
you don't
God.
do like this. I don't know if I can. Mom is not seeing it. You don't do like this. Because there you are disrespecting. So you have to go down. If I could not do that when she's singing. So you have to go down and be calm. That is giving respect to the food.
When you are cooking.
They believe that if you respect food, it yields more. Even when people eat it, they become satisfied. Yeah, traditions. They are called what, superstitions. Yeah.
Wow.
So most of our food we steam it. We
Okay.
cook with mainly steam. Kambe kali.
Esi tuwe kambe. Ikwe.
Can pause.
Oh, okay, guys. Now and me, I'm joining this one. Hey.
It's okay, men are not supposed to.
Men don't need.
No, you can stand, yes, you can stand.
Guys,
Because we are showing you, but you can go down, don't worry. Women are not allowed.
The way he's holding himself.
guys, you know, they say you must kneel down to respect the
It
food
is
while you are
women who
cooking.
kneel in African Mwala studies. It is women who kneel.
What about in your tradition?
Even in my tradition, women kneel, but men don't kneel.
So I'm folding it, yeah?
Guys, you see? Omobombo.
But Mowombo is mainly anything steamed, right? But people mainly know it for matoke. But also, once you get potatoes and wrap them like this, we call them Mowombo.
Omobombo.
Yeah.
Guys, subscribe to our channels, man. We are cooking omobombo.
If you have not subscribed, you are not
Subscribe to anyone here. We have Erina TL, we have African Nyako, we have that too, Peace. Then we have African Muala, we have Burundian Traveler, all the way from Burundi, Uganda. So,
Uganda.
let's go. Then let me help you. Guys, we are cooking omobombo.
Okay, you are going to fold here. You are going to fold it like this, yeah? Yes. I can make one thing. So we cut this thing up so that it can shorten. When the walls are fun, that is made into it. Okay, you can even hold it like this. It is safe and brief.
And breathe.
How do I pause? I pause?
Yes, it has. Yeah. Oh, why are you putting that one?
They can't be put like this.
Oh.
We put them so that they can fold and they get it. This mumbo gets enough space, yeah? So we have even the the ready banana leaves. These are red ones. We used them on the previous meal. So they give enough heat to the meal, yeah?
Okay.
So I have to put enough because, you know, potatoes, the water doesn't have to reach on potatoes because we are steaming them.
Okay. So you are just cooking with the steam.
Yeah, we have to steam. This water, when it boils, it doesn't have to reach on top of the potatoes.
Oh, okay.
The potato has to get out when it is dry and ready.
All right.
Putting this banana, it is like laying a platform for our mwango.
Okay. Then you put the...
Then I start covering.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, be careful when you're covering. You have to rush.
Good.
The mazeno. But you didn't get the thumbnail. Have you gotten a thumbnail?
No, we're not dogo.
This will be a good thumbnail.
Oh, okay.
When I'm folding this, because I know most of your viewers have never. I can do like this. It is okay.
Yep.
Now a video again. Them this.
Oh, yeah, right.
Is that?
Yeah.
So this one we fold it like this.
Okay.
It is like when you wear something and you look smart. So I have to make my meal look very nice.
Why are you cooking?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm done.
Okay, now you're done?
You cover it. So this water I've put is going to be enough. You don't add any water. Mama, now we know. It is enough.
Okay.
This village boy.
So what I need to say?
Be like, yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Was just saying.
I must say exactly.
Okay. Okay. So we are going to let it boil for like 45 minutes.
Okay.
30 to 45 minutes. As long as the fire is constantly good, it will be ready.
Okay.
Yeah. So African nyako, our girl is going to be cooking for Burundian traveler the sauce for this food. Please.
Are you going to do that?
Yeah, why not? I'm
Okay.
here for you.
Guys, I'm just waiting for that. Hey. This Uganda.
No one going to take over with the mukene, but I think we still need to wait a little bit. Yeah, so let's catch up when we start with the mukene. But then before, I have to first sort it out. Shall we sort it out in here? Let them bring for me katebe and I see. Heta form when. Sana kuwa kone wowofa. Bakuzike. Aleta omubba. Aye continue away with. So guys, these people are over asking me for my things because I'm the rich girl around
For me, I
town.
want grasshoppers.
No, I've refused. And I'm seeing if you dare steal anything.
Just looking.
Yeah, better look. So guys, this is the mukena. Omena. How do you call it? Ndagala?
Indagara.
So I'm going to be, so this one doesn't really need a lot of sorting. So I'm going to go and roast it a little bit. So see you guys when I'm roasting.
Yes. Oh, then.
Okay, start.
Yeah.
So guys, as I told you before, I'm going to be roasting the omena.
Hey. Wow, wow.
See?
Oh,
Put the saucepan
that
there.
is African nyako over there, guys. And our orubu umobumbo. Omobumbo is already right here. He's ready.
And this was our omena. Yeah.
Oh, you cook without
I'm first roasting to make it have a nice aroma.
okay. And some people here are waiting for food.
Yeah.
Specters.
We are
The
chief eaters. Chief
actually they are special to cook omobombo.
So guys,
She peeled, I
in
prepared.
Ugandan homesteads, you don't do everything alone if you're more than one girl in the homestead. You have to do things in time. So it's my turn now. It's my turn.
Oh, okay.
The lazy one goes last.
Hey! Hey! Aga!
Must be a wife material for her.
They're all there. Waited.
So we are done, yeah? When you're done with a certain job, everyone is taxed in the traditions,
For
in our
it.
tradition. So her task is preparing omena. First she peeled, I prepared that. Because as we share,
We are waiting to eat.
we share the house shows.
They're
Don't
going to
forget
wash
that
plates.
part.
So there is
Washing
someone
places.
who wash plates as
Who will wash plate?
But
Oh, you
only
are already.
traveler.
Yeah.
Hey! Yes, you're not wash plates.
Abagenyi
But anyway, men don't do such work, and even visitors. If you're a man and you're a visitor, you don't.
What about if you are not a visitor?
You do.
Ah.
If you're a man,
Mm.
no, you won't. You want to wash plates.
What about to cook?
Unless if your wife is sick, you can cook.
Okay.
So guys, the omena is ready. I've already roasted, so I'm going to put it here. I'm going to use the same saucepan to boil it. So let me put some water. Have you seen? The ancestors are happy.
Hey.
Now the neighbor will be there. Hey, you can kusika. Every day you're frying, yet you put saucepan to first burn. So anyway, guys, after that, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to cut. This is like the village way of cooking. No shopping board, no nothing. This is the onion. So I'm going to slice the onion.
What about cooking oil?
No, we don't. We're going to do boil.
Oh,
Boil, you know what it is?
yeah, I get that.
Boil is without cooking oil.
Just cooking in the water.
So you put your onions there. I'm going to use it all, but some people use a half an onion.
Okay. Here we go.
So this is water for washing, but I need it to be warm.
Yes.
I've added in some hot water.
You are going to. Oh. Guys, welcome to Uganda.
These guys are making me laugh. So you make sure you watch the mukene. And then put.
That's how you cook them.
This is the boiling style of method.
Okay.
I was just ambushed, but if I had like time, I would cook it and put it in banana leaves.
Okay.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel also.
For real.
African Nyako.
African nyako. What about you?
Erina TL,
What about
the
you?
international content creator.
African Muala,
Yes.
village girl,
You.
village content creator, right from central Uganda.
And I'm also the assistant to the biggest travel creator in Africa, Burundian traveler.
Guys, now they are calling me the biggest one. Eh?
Go next to Wode.
Hey,
Yeah.
you even passed. You're going to surpass what
You're
the
going
Maya.
to pass.
Mm.
Yeah, we believe in you. We believe in you.
Are you serious,
We
guys?
could even bet on that.
Believe in yourself.
I believe in you.
So guys,
Nothing but there's a damn emotion.
this is the peanut.
Yes.
Binyewa. So I'm going to mix it and put it in the mukene. See, put some warm water
Mm.
and then
Then you stir. You stir.
I'm sorry.
Oluzungu gwantama bambi. Guys, a Burundian traveler can talk Uganda.
So guys, I don't have patience. Wait. I always want to do it at once here from the bowl.
Ebinyebwa.
Binyobwa. You see, it's easier like this.
Oh. Wow. It's come like porridge.
Yeah, sort of.
I'll try to cook for my people over there.
Yeah, when you go back, endeavor to do this. They'll like it. But I saw some, when I was in Rwanda, I saw this big mukene. They told me they're from Burundi. They are big.
Tall one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are from Burundi, in Lake Tanganyika. They are so sweet.
Yeah. I got them in Rwanda. I loved them, but they were expensive.
They are expensive sometimes. Hey, they even.
And because in Rwanda they import it from Burundi, so
Mhm.
that's why it's expensive.
Yeah.
He wants to doubt.
Are you going to
Yes, yeah, guys.
Our sauce is ready, so the aroma is all over the place. And you know how Omena is stubborn. It lets even your neighbors know that, hey, I'm being cooked this side. So the aroma is all over the place. We're just going to add salt.
Yeah. So even this is how we lay when we are removing our muumbo, yeah?
Mm.
You have to make sure you lay very well, make a platform.
For it.
Yeah. So you hold it like this, you know? I did it well, so there's no way you can see the potatoes until I open them.
Okay. Guys, you see.
So here,
Omobombo.
yeah. So I can show you guys. It is ready.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey, hey.
Yummy.
Erina.